Hey guys, MartyBoots here. I've got a very interesting trade for you here. I know the market is crashing. Well, it's consolidating now. It's trying to bottom out. Bitcoin is trying to find a bottom here. I'm not saying this is the exact low, but I have told my members in our Crypto Check live trading room where I will be buying Bitcoin. Um, and they know exactly where I'll be putting orders in and buying that. Um, what I want to show you here is I think it's very important. Um, I've been a little bit quiet here. My girlfriend is sleeping. This is very important, guys. Like this huge drop, at some point there will be some retrace of this, guys. So yes, I know the market is all scared and totally fearful and all the rest, but like look at this drop. It did take quite some time. Even the next week, this very next week, there was a decent bounce up of that candle. Um, Let me just throw a fib on that, for example. Look where that bounced, and it might not look like it, but of this candle, you can see that if I just get that correctly, we bounced past the 38% of this candle. Okay. Um, I'll just do a similar thing here. Just you can see already we've already hit that 32%, and then there was that rollover. Sorry, 38%. Um, there is the possibility that we can get up here and to a bit higher prices and reject before we actually make that journey sort of back up in here to even to the 61%. This will happen. It's just a matter of how long do we have to wait. What I want to show you here, guys, is very important. Dash is up 15% on the day, right? That Dash is leading the market, and it's not the first time Dash has led the market. You can see it doesn't even look like a 15% move. This is a 15% move here, right here. It's crazy. It's a massive drop. Well, I mean total drop. Look at that, 78%. Look at back into the 78%. A 78% drop. Um, which is obviously a larger percentage drop. If you throw a fib on it, you can see it's a 1-to-1. We've actually came back down and stop hunted the lows. So guys, this is in my opinion vitally important. This is something you do not want to not look at very closely. Look at this. This is a stop hunt here, a fantastic stop hunt. Guys, this rolled right up. I'm not saying we're going to get back up and break these highs. We could, don't get me wrong, we definitely could. But I'm saying that there's a retrace up on here. And if I'm going to bring it through the time frames here, look at this. This does not have to come back down again. We've already stop hunted, we've taken liquidity, and this is why we're bouncing. We've taken the liquidity down here, and it's a short squeeze, so to speak. People were short and short and short, and we came down here, and then they all started buying. We hit all these stops, and it's spiking the price upwards. Um, yeah, there we go. So this could do something like this, okay? And let me show you a 1 month chart. Here's where things start to get interesting. We are 12 days away from a new month. But not only is it a new month, it's a new 3 month candle. This was a bullish candle to the upside, and we've come right back down and taken that liquidity. You can see we're already getting a decent bounce on this month. I think we are going to open up next month, and we're going to have a green candle. This probably is going to finish higher into the month also. In my opinion, it's up to 15% today. That's at 52. There's a chance we can finish the month at 55 or even 60. That's for the month, and then we have a green candle back up. If we have a decent green candle, this could push on guys, this taking liquidity, the market makers love to do this. Take liquidity before they run it back up. Everybody has been stopped out now. Even this has been stopped out. All these people that bought here, bought. It came right back down, stopped them all out. Then this month that everybody thinks it's a new bull market comes back down, stops everybody out. Absolutely everybody. And the only people in the market that are not stopped out right now basically is the people right down on here. Okay, so the liquidity is taken. There's the order book is cleaned, and this has a potential to go. I'm not giving price targets on this, guys. I'm just saying that the market makers love to do this. And here's what the safe trade, guys, is I think we get a retrace because of the monthly bullish. Okay, because we this was a monthly candle and now we came back down and took liquidity. Okay, so we have 12 days left in this candle, but I think in the next 3 months, it's a 3 month candle, guys. So it doesn't have to take 3 months. It might take a month. It might be in the next month. It might be 2 weeks. But I think we can come up here and at least test the 32% retrace, at least. Okay, and it could go up way higher. All right, so if I just take a percentage gain from here, sorry, I'm way too far. There is a 40% gain in Dash, right? And we may even come up and test 50%. 50% is a 65% gain in Dash, and this is a 40%. Now my target is 40% higher. Now it's up 16% on the day, and I would like some sort of a retrace. I'm kicking myself earlier for not buying this, but I just hadn't analyzed Dash at all. So my target on Dash up here is $74, right? And we could even call that $70 to be conservative. Where am I going here? Yeah, even $70, a 35% to 40% bounce on Dash, I think is very, very likely. Okay, now I did not buy yet. I don't like buying after I've been up 16%. If there's any sort of retrace tomorrow or the next day, I will be all over this. I will be looking to find if I can get a good entry. I will be trading this on leverage and let this ride higher. So, and I will be posting buy alerts in our live trading room, in our crypto check trading room. We have a group of fantastic members in there, guys, and in there we have an amazing group. We have a lot on offer in there. We actually have a lot of 40 different crypto other crypto paid groups. So we have those signals from all them people, just like Kilmex and Four Flies, Crypto Careway, all those sort of people. So we have all our alerts in there. We also have a Telegram group with $500,000 worth of trading courses. And we have a lot more in the future. We also have a Telegram group in the making at the moment with $500,000 worth of money making courses. And not to mention, we have a group of fantastic members. Everybody's improved a lot on there, and it's great to see it. And also, we have our live trading room itself. So we have a lot on offer, guys. So if you want to take the 3-day free trial, come on in and see what we're all about. And say hello, don't be shy. Everybody in there is very friendly. Look at Dash is still going, guys. I hope I really don't miss this. This is looking good. Some sort of retrace on this would be perfect. Can't believe it's 20% up now almost. So I will be waiting, and there will be some retrace off this, guys, in my opinion. But I will be sending out alerts over the next few days on it. So come on in, guys, take the 3-day free trial, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.